Introduce highlight features and read reviews that most people are talking of ROGOB 4-in-1 portable car vacuum cleaner with Searchlight. You can find wanted at here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Different from traditional vacuum cleaners, this vacuum cleaner's focus on serving cars. Not only has the function of a vacuum cleaner, but also a searchlight, a tire pressure gauge, and an inflator. Combining the four functions in one product saves the trouble of carrying and storing two products at the same time and is more cost-effective than buying two products. DC 12V 4300 to 4500 PA suction, 75 dB low noise. It can pick up two iPhone 6 easily, let alone any busters in your car. A must-have for who is particular about his car. Multifunctional car vacuum supports dry and wet application. 3 accessories: long mouth, brush, soft long tube, enable the cleaning easier and can clean every corner in your car. It can easily clean dust, crumbs, pet hair, as well as liquids. The 13.1 feet 4 meters power cord enables you to clean any hard-to-reach area of your car and easy connection to front and rear wheels when inflated. Plug and play so you don't worry about the issue of continuation. LED lighting can vacuum in the dark, making it easier to find dust and hair in invisible places. Tires can also be inflated at night when they encounter problems, and will also serve as a warning to surrounding vehicles. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.